Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Uh, I thought to share this problem and solution with all of you, uh, which is sometimes you need when you are uploading some data into databases, or you are preparing some reports, and you have data like this. So it is just like I will say it's a pivot based. So here there are codes. I will say these are account code. Let me put it account code. Account code. This is let's say for example company or SBU or any company, and this is cost center. Just an example, right? Okay, now let's say for example on this you will not be able to do some analysis, or if you have to upload in table, there will be no certain headings or formats. So what you need is something like this. So you have to transform this data. So what you have to do, let's say for example, first you will take this one, then you need this code, this one, and then you need this amount in rows. So it will be a long exercise. You need something like this. So first you will take the first segment, then second, then third, and its value, right? This is how you need it. So let me change this to the same, just to keep the standard. So what I will do, let me remove this, this is how the data should be converted, right? Just see. So if you have to do this manually and you have huge amount of data, even this one, it will take too much time. So what I have to do, let me give you a demo. So I need this one here, Control V, then I need this code, let me show you this one, then I need its amount. Okay, this is one line done. Then I need same down, then I need second code. Okay, then I need second code's value. Okay, how easy it is? Really tough. You have to do for all, first for this up to this. Maybe there are you can have more columns, and then you have to do for second to all. Oh my God, it is always a nightmare. Okay, let me show you how to do this using Power Query. Okay. First, we have to convert this to a table. Okay, table is Control T, and it will create, and then you can add some name if you want. Otherwise, keep it table 1 as well, no problem. Okay, then go to data, and let me see if it is already there. See if it is this is already there. So what I will do, let me remove this. So there is no query now, and even I will remove this data. Okay, just to show you a fresh example. So let's assume we have this data only, right? Okay, what this I just created with the random function. These are just random numbers, right? So maybe somewhere it is up and down, it's okay. I mean, don't consider that. Just to the objective is to show you this example. Okay. This is a table now, I have already converted. So what I will go do, data, and then if you see here down, this is from table, because I have already table. So I will click this one, and by the way I kept this one space, because if you create the table, it will take all these values as well. So which I don't want. This I just kept on the top, just to for the reference purpose. So I will click in the table. So and then my source will be the data source from table range. Okay, that's it. Okay, it is even here showing the same way, right? Okay, now what I have to do, let's say for example, I have these columns. So what I will do, my left side columns, like in a pivot, are first two columns, right? This one. For these two, I have to repeat all these values down, right? So I will select first two columns, and then I will go to transform, and then I need to come here, or even I think you can right click as well. No, in this version this option is not there, it was there. Okay, let me select again if it is unselected. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, under transform menu, click here and unpivot other columns. Okay, just click how it is. Okay, now since this is done, so what I will do, I will go to home, I will select this, close and load. Just see, your data is ready, right? This was a quick tip, 78 rows in few seconds, right? So you can use this one in your day to day data. I gave these examples of Oracle ERP. Let's say for example, if you have multiple segments, and just to map that, you can have other ERPs data. So I mean, you can transform data accordingly as you like, right? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.